Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix your Maytag dishwasher, MDB8959SFZA, if the start or cancel button is not working. First, check if the control lock is enabled. On most Maytag models, pressing and holding the control lock button for 3 to 5 seconds disables the lock. If the lock is active, the start and cancel buttons won't respond. Next, make sure the dishwasher is properly plugged in and the power supply is working. Sometimes a loose connection or tripped breaker can prevent the buttons from functioning. If the buttons still don't work, reset the dishwasher. Turn it off at the power source, wait 5 to 10 minutes, then turn it back on. This can reset the control board and restore functionality. Inspect the touchpad or control panel for any signs of damage or moisture. Cleaning the panel gently with a soft, dry cloth can remove dirt or residue that may be interfering with the buttons. If the issue persists, the control panel or electronic control board may be faulty and require replacement. Consult the Maytag manual or a licensed technician for parts and installation. By following these steps, you can fix your Maytag MDB8959SFZA dishwasher, start or cancel button, and get it working again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.